Welcome to GVK. Today, we are capturing the true essence of coastal Karnataka with a timeless classic, Appe Mudi, also known as Medi Uppinkai or tender mango pickle. Made with tender mangoes and preserved purely through traditional methods, this recipe is a masterclass in preserving flavors for years. Let's get started. We are starting with 2 kilograms of tender mangoes. First, trim the stalks, making sure to leave exactly 1 centimeter attached. Take a clean cloth and carefully wipe the tender mangoes to remove any dirt or sap. Remember, the first rule of pickling is absolutely zero moisture. That's why we never wash these mangoes with water. In fact, whether it's the jars you store them in or the spoons you use to mix, everything must be clean and completely dry. Next, grab a clean, airtight jar to store the mangoes. Just make sure the jar has been thoroughly cleaned with hot water and dried properly beforehand. After adding a layer of mangoes, add a layer of rock salt. We will use around 500 grams of rock salt for our 2 kgs of tender mangoes. Toss some peeled garlic right on top and close the lid tightly. Keep the jars aside for a week. By the second day, you will start noticing the natural juices and water being released by the mangoes. After a week, the tender mangoes will have released all their water and will look shriveled up like this. If they don't look quite the same yet, you can keep them sitting in the jar for a few more days. Next, drain the tender mango water into a vessel. This salty water is going to be the base used to make our masala paste. For now, keep the mangoes aside. Place the drained water over the low flame and heat it until it starts boiling. Once it has boiled completely, take it off the stove, set it aside, and let it cool down to room temperature. Now heat a pan, add 200 grams of mustard seeds, and dry roast them gently for about a minute. Set the mustard aside, take 150 grams of Badagi chilies and dry roast them in the pan for a minute as well. Once the mustard seeds are cool, grind them into a fine powder. Set that powder aside and next grind your dry roasted red chilies. Take a 2-inch piece of whole turmeric and pound it down. If you don't have whole turmeric accessible, you can use 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder instead. Add the pounded turmeric to the grinder with the red chilies and grind them together again. Next, take your shivered tender mangoes and add the ground mustard powder, the red chili and the turmeric powder directly to them. Once your drained mango water cools down completely, pour it in using a sieve in small batches and mix everything together. Make sure that all the tender mangoes are evenly covered with the masala. If you prefer a fine masala paste, then you can blend a few spoons of this cooled mango water directly into the grinder with your spices. Add 1 teaspoon of hing and mix well. Next, in a tadka pan, add 5 tablespoons of sesame oil and heat it over a medium flame. Once the oil is hot, turn off the flame instantly, add 1 teaspoon of hing and let it cool down completely. Take a clean ceramic or glass jar for storing the pickle. Ensure that it is washed with hot water and dried completely. Pack the pickle in, and once the tadka oil comes down to room temperature, pour it right on top. Close the lid tightly and cover it securely with a clean cotton or muslin cloth. This pickle matures beautifully with time as the mangoes slowly absorb the rich masala. Just make sure to give the pickle a good mix every couple of days, and it will be perfectly ready to consume after a few weeks. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to GVK for more Indian traditional recipes.